What do you mean there is copyright protection on murals and public art? That makes no sense. It's out in the public. It can't have copyright. Okay, so that's not actually true. Any original work of authorship has copyright that attaches automatically as soon as the work of art is in a tangible form of expression or medium. So a wall with a mural on it is a tangible medium for people to see the original work of art. If you've got a mural, it does have copyright. So you have to be very careful if you take a picture of it. If you're out and about visiting a town and you see an interesting mural, you can take a picture of that and post it on your social media and say, hey, I was in this town by this building and this is kind of neat. Now, the tricky part is if you use that mural for commercial purposes. So if you have that mural prominently featured in one of your advertising campaigns, then that's going to be considered commercial use of that image, and you're potentially opening yourself up to a cease and desist letter from the artist. So these cease and desist letters, they're not popular. Nobody likes them. Everybody thinks, hey, the work is out in the public and, I can take a picture of it and there's no copyright. And that, unfortunately, is just not true. An additional problem with copyright infringement is that I didn't know is not actually an excuse. So even if you didn't realize that there was copyright, even if you didn't realize that this would be potentially copyright infringement, it doesn't matter. The fact that you did it means that you're on the hook potentially for copyright infringement. So if you do see public art and murals out and about in a town that you're visiting, you can take pictures of it for your own personal use. You can probably put it up on social media without any issues, just saying, hey, I was in this town or I was in your own city and you saw this thing. That's probably okay. As soon as it starts to become commercial use, that's when you start getting into trouble. So be very, very careful with public art.